What's up, everybody? This is j.dioramas. Ooh, what a rush. This channel's for adults only. Like, share, subscribe. Check it out. I just wanted to do almost like a continuation of my custom vehicles. This helicopter, Black Hawk helicopter, I should say, I spray painted down about a year ago. Got this from Goodwill as well for like $3. And so basically it is definitely all black. This camera light makes it look like it got a little gray in it, but it's not. It's all spray painted black and a little dust that needs to be wiped off. This is my Black Hawk helicopter. Got it from Goodwill for $3. Mind you, everything still works. You have the cable hook that still comes down. It's still operational. So if you want to get some rope to pull things up in flight, go for it. This gunner system that comes out was missing the seat. There was a seat that was behind it. I don't know if I can pull that out. If not, oh, the light went out. Oh well, let's keep filming. Propeller spin is just as big as the G.I. Joe. I call these vehicles the subs for G.I. Joe because when G.I. Joe stopped making toys and for the anniversary in 2017, as far as vehicles, unless you went to Comic-Con or conventions or whatever, or was a G.I. Joe club member, you wasn't getting vehicles, so you had to settle for these if you wanted vehicles for your Joes. Canopy opens. Gotta customize the inside of here, which I'll be doing. I'll be putting some computers and stuff and pilot joysticks. So basically this was customized from this helicopter right here. Check it out. It's the Fox. This one's sky gray, like same helicopter. I got this from Walmart for like $10. It came with a few other accessories. No, it was like $15. I'm sorry. It was worth the price, and the vehicles it came with, and it also came with. See if I can get this canopy down. Alright. It also came with this little, I can get it out. It came with this ATV with missiles. A lot of fireworks right there. And yes, it's secured for G.I. Joe. It's hollow on the bottom. The missiles don't come out, of course, it's just a mold. Anyways, everyone, like, share, and subscribe. This is j.dioramas. This channel's for adults only. Peace.